Welcome everyone, and in this video we are going to look at how we can translate our WordPress website into any language. We are going to try this with two different methods. So first we will try automatic method, which is using Google Translate, and then we will do it with a manual method. So let's try with the first one, which is fairly simple and quick. So I will go to the dashboard and click on plugins and add new. Here search for Google Translate and install this Translate WordPress plugin. Let's activate this. Now go to the settings and Google Language Translator. And here select the language you want to translate into. So let's say we want to translate into French. So click on French and then just save the changes. Now let's reload our home page. Now here you can see this translate button. Click on this and click on French flag. Okay, so our whole site is translated into French using automatic Google translation. Okay, so Google Translate is good, but there are certain slangs and certain ways to say different things in a different languages. So let's see how we can translate manually with the different plugin. So let's go back to the dashboard. Click on a plugins. I will deactivate this Google Translator plugin. Then go to the add new. And here search for Translate Press. Install this plugin and activate it. Now again go to the settings and click on Translate Press. Now here choose the language you want to translate into. And click add. Go save your changes. Then go to the page you want to translate manually. So I will go to the home page. Let's do the quick refresh. You can see there is a new option here called Translate Page. Click on this. Now here you can click on the part of the text you want to translate. Click this pencil icon. And here you can see you can add translation for each of the part you have selected. Make sure you have selected View As to Logged Out, because we want to make translation for everyone, not for this particular user I am signed in with. So let's translate this text by clicking on pencil icon. Add our manual translation for this text and click on Save Translation. And you can do that for each and every text on your website and save each part. And after you are done, you can use this language switcher to switch to your language. Now it is showing translation for only this part because I haven't done translation for other parts. Now you can also customize this switcher or change its position. So just go to the Translate Press settings and go down to the language switcher and here floating language selection. Here you can adjust its position to the bottom left or top left, wherever you want. So let's say if I want it on my bottom left and I only want to show the flags. So I will save changes and refresh my home page. And also if you don't want floating switcher here, instead you want to display it inside your navigation menu, you can do that by going to the appearance, menus, and here language switcher, and add the switcher for your languages and add to the menu. Let's save menu Go back to the home page and refresh. Okay, so now we have our language switcher in our navigation menu, and you can disable this floating switcher from the setting. So go to the setting, translate press, go down and disable this floating switcher. They also have a shortcode, which means you can copy this shortcode and put your language switcher anywhere in your site. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next one.